Today, I'll show you how to deposit to Exness from Binance. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. This only works if a crypto deposit method is available in your Exness personal area for your region and account. Exness says the Deposit tab shows the payment methods currently available to you, along with processing time and limits, and it also says all payments should be started inside your personal area, not outside of it. The first step is to open Exness and log into your personal area, then go to Deposit and check whether a cryptocurrency deposit option is listed. Exness says the normal deposit flow is to open the Deposit section, select a payment method, enter the amount and trading account, review the summary, and then follow the on-screen instructions for that payment method. Now choose the crypto deposit method that Exness shows you. After that, Exness will normally provide the deposit details you need, such as the wallet address and the network for that transaction. This part is very important because the network you use on Binance must match the network Exness gives you. Exness also says to double-check all entered information to avoid delays, and Binance says choosing the wrong network can cause funds to be lost and not recovered. Once you have the Exness deposit address, open Binance. Go to your wallet, tap Withdraw, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, and then select the option to send through the crypto network. Binance's official guide says the key steps are to paste the destination address, select the network, enter the amount, and confirm the withdrawal. Now paste the Exness deposit address into Binance and select the exact same network shown by Exness. This is the most important safety step in the whole process. Binance specifically warns that the withdrawal network must match the receiving platform's network, or the funds may be lost. Binance also shows you the network fee before you confirm, and its fee page says, crypto withdrawals have a withdrawal fee to cover transaction costs. After that, enter the amount you want to send and confirm the withdrawal in Binance. Binance may ask for security checks like 2FA, email verification, or app confirmation before the transfer is sent. Once Binance processes it, the crypto still needs blockchain confirmations before Exness credits it. Binance notes that processing time depends on the blockchain and current network traffic, and Exness says processing time varies by payment method and can be viewed in your personal area. There are also two important rules to remember. First, Exness says third-party payments are not allowed, and payment accounts must match the full legal name on your Exness account. Second, the same withdrawal currency rule matters later, because Exness says you should choose the deposit currency carefully, since the same currency must be used during withdrawal. So, in simple terms, open Exness first, start the deposit inside your personal area, copy the crypto address and network Exness gives you, then go to Binance, withdraw that same coin on that same network, and confirm the transfer. If the method is available in your region and you match the network correctly, that is the proper way to deposit to Exness from Binance. And that's how to deposit to Exness from Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.